In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a post on Facebook. For some reason, you want to share a post you came across on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook homepage, scroll down to locate the post that you want to share. In this case, I want to share this one, for instance. So all I have to do is to continue to tap on the share icon on the bottom right corner of that post. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. In order for me to share, proceed to tap on share now. If I want to add anything to this post, I can proceed to type it here, after which I will continue to tap on share now. And if you don't want to add anything, you can just tap on share now. You can also share this post across other social media platforms such as Messenger, WhatsApp, group, and the tons of options across here. You can also tap on more to see other options. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.